Welcome to Tech Boss again. In this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset any ITEL tablet. Before we start this process, I will ask from you guys to hit on the subscribe button so when I upload new video you can get notifications automatically. And let's start the process now. First, off your power. Press and hold on the power to off your power. Wait till the phone off 100%. You can use this method to flash any ITEL tablet switch. Now let's start the main process. First, you must press and hold on power and up volume at the same time. Press and hold them like this. Power, up volume at the same time. Let's start. Up volume, power. Press and hold on them. When you see the screen light, leave the power and hold on the up volume. Leave the power and hold on the up volume. Do it like me. Hold on it till you see the screen change. When you see the screen change like this, let's go to the last process. Use the down to move. Calm down, calm down, calm down, and calm down till you see the last factory reset and press up volume. Up volume.